Hi everyone, Del here. Today we're just going to have a little quick video on what I call Fatwood cakes. So, well, Fatwood cakes, Fatwood spirals. These are something I just make and I keep in a container. I'll show you these. They're just like little Fatwood cakes. Kind of twirls, curls, whatever you want to call them. A bit like feather sticking, but just with Fatwoods. So they make them nice and light, so that we can just light them with a ferro rod pretty easy. So it's just a little quick video demo on how to do these. So these are the little Fatwood curls that we make. It's just the same as feather sticking, but I like just to take them off and make these little curls. So they're almost like little flower heads really, but they're really good to put in your fire kits, and they take the spark and burn. We'll show that, but let's just have a quick go at making these for you. So it's pretty simple really. This is the Fatwood that you can buy off Amazon, that if you're not fortunate enough to get out and you know, process the firewood yourself. So all I do is we just take them down a bit, same as feather sticking. Nice curls, nice sharp knife. If you picked up your whetstone like I did the other week, then you should have no problem keeping a nice sharp knife. I find this dead relaxing actually, to be honest with you. I tend to do a lot of this just to relax at night after work and whatnot. I work quite long hours in the summer, and well, let's face it, most of us do work long hours most of the time. But yeah, so I tend to just sit with a cup of coffee, sit in my man cave that I built, and I just process the Fatwood like this. I can't wait to get out more. I've just not done it in years, to be honest with you, but just time, family life, whatnot, it gets away from you, as you're all aware of that. So these are just a nice simple way of doing it. What you're doing is making it look like a pretty little flower head really. So there's one, and you're just making it a good surface that'll take a spark really. I like that one actually. I like how that stands. It's little things like that. I love doing stuff like this, and then all the shavings just go into different containers and things, but I like making these little I don't really know what you call them, curls, swirls, whatever you want to call them, tails, little Fatwood flowers, whatever. But you know, give it a go yourself. So therapeutic. It's really good to do, and say it doesn't take too long to do. You can make them as big or as thin as you want really. If you're going to do them thinner, then it's just on your Fatwood size. I'll show you that in a minute. So there's another one there. And then if you want to make them thinner, what we'll do is we'll just thin out the Fatwood. And then all these shavings you just save and put in a different container really. So all we're doing is thinning it out so it's not going to be as fat. Okay, then it's a bit thinner. Don't throw any of this away, all's good burning. So we've got a thinner one to start with now, a thinner stalk, and then just take the feathers down. I like that there. If you do it too sharp you cut them off, but don't worry about that, it's all part of the practice. This will be good for your light it up Fridays too, Saturdays, whatever days you want to light it up on. So that's making it thinner, look. As you see, all we did was just shave the stick down and it made it thinner. So there's that one. So there's a thin Fatwood curl and then a full size Fatwood curl. So I just wanted to show you that. That's my little Fatwood curls that I like to make. I know, I'm very artistic. There you go. So the different sizes you can make with them, just practice really. And I'll show you how those light in a wee minute. But just keep doing stuff like this. Keep practicing and keep trying different stuff. And it's all good in the end. Fatwood curls by Dell. Go make some. Cracking. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to put a little just a fire one at the end of this and you can see it. So we'll crack on with that. But thanks for watching and get doing it yourself. It's dead relaxing and therapeutic.